Alright, hey guys, we're here at Phra Nang Beach here on Railay. So honestly, it's a pretty cool place to come and check out if you want to do like a day trip from Phra Nang. So yeah, it's pretty busy, there's a lot of people here. But it's just a pretty cool place to come and chill, I guess. So yeah, this is Phra Nang Beach. Usually the tide is a little bit further out. But it's pretty busy here, so I'm guessing it's kind of like, I'm sure it's not high season, but it's just a really popular time to come to Railay, I guess. Oh dude, there's a lot of monkeys. Oh man. Yeah dude, the little monkeys are climbing around on the roof. Oh man, it's even hot when you're walking in the shade. At least there's no monkeys here though.
Eles só chegaram a ser médicos porque eles tiveram hábitos para Railay Beach.
Oh man, this is crazy. So we're just getting on the longtail boat, going to Railay Beach. So it was 200 baht return. You can pretty much return any time before 6 p.m. Go on the far side. I want to sit here. Yeah, that's fine. I want to stick the camera out here, so. Oh man. So yeah, we're just here on Railay Beach. Okay, cool. So we'll just check out kind of the main walking street here. So it goes through from the main beach to kind of the Mangrove Beach. It's just like a beach full of mangrove trees. And and then it kind of like goes around the island to Phra Nang Beach. So I'll see if I can get that far, but man, it's just absolutely melting here.
Okay, that's safe.
So yeah, a lot of cool cafes and bars, cannabis shops. Bamboo bar. You okay? Good to go?
Just fixing my hair.
Sure. I'm sure that reggae bar is kind of famous. It was here long before cannabis was legal, so everyone just came here. Oh man. I'll probably have food somewhere around here. It's kind of a tourist trap, but just need some good food, so. Yeah, we're just gonna walk down a little bit further and then I'll probably go somewhere and get food, but a lot of cool bars and restaurants here on the walking street. Some like suspicious grilled chicken or something. Can never be sure what it is, man. Oh, dude, there's a lot of monkeys. Oh, man. Yeah, dude, the little monkeys are climbing around on the roof and also in the bar. Oh, man. Yeah, honestly, I'm a little scared of them. They're just kind of like unpredictable. Don't want to be attacked by a crazy monkey or something. So yeah, we're pretty much just coming up to the kind of Mangrove Beach here on the east side of the island. So there isn't really much reason to stick around here. You just kind of need to go through it to get to Phra Nang Beach. But yeah, man, this is the Mangrove Beach on the far side of the island. So it isn't great for swimming here, as I'm sure you can tell. Oh man, yeah. Oh yeah, man. It's pretty much just old mangrove trees. And like the beach is lined with reggae bars. I'm sure you know what I mean when I say reggae bars. But yeah, man, this just honestly isn't great for swimming. But you kind of need to go through here to get to Phra Nang Beach. So yeah, man. Okay. 3, 2, 1. It's so chill there. Oh man, it's even hot when you're walking in the shade. At least there's no monkeys here though.
Eles só chegaram a ser médicos porque eles tiveram hábitos para seguir.
Hey guys, we're here at Phra Nang Beach here on Railay. So honestly, it's a pretty cool place to come and check out if you want to do like a day trip from Phra Nang. So yeah, it's pretty busy. There's a lot of people here, but it's just a pretty cool place to come and chill, I guess. So yeah, man, it's absolutely melting here. But we're just here at Phra Nang Beach. It is a little bit of a walk through the kind of like mangrove trees and everything, but yeah, man. Oh man. So yeah, like I honestly wish it was just a little bit cooler, but it's kind of like late afternoon, so the sun's just starting to go down a little bit, but still pretty warm. So I'm kind of getting barbecued. So yeah, this is Phra Nang Beach. Usually the tide is a little bit further out. But it's pretty busy here, so I'm guessing it's kind of like, I'm sure it's not high season, but it's just a really popular time to come to Railay, I guess. So yeah, I think we're just going to walk back to the island and go back to Phra Nang, just because it's absolutely melting here. So just be prepared if you come into, well, if you come into Thailand, kind of around like late April, just be aware that it is absolutely melting here. I'm sure it's like the hottest time of year. And yeah, I'm just kind of getting barbecued. But yeah, man, it's honestly just a really cool, kind of chill beach here. It's a little bit less busy than Railay. But yeah, man, you kind of have to do like a bit of a walk to get here. But yeah, man, I'm pretty sure you can also go from here up to the Emerald Lagoon or something. I'm not too sure. So yeah, I think that's all for now. I'm kind of just like rambling, but it is absolutely melting here at the moment here in Thailand. So yeah, man, just bring some sun cream, I guess. Be sure to stay hydrated, and yeah, man, just be prepared because it is absolutely crazy temperatures right now. Oh, dude, there's a huge monitor lizard. Yeah, I was just standing here like looking at my phone, and then a huge monitor lizard kind of just like slipped past my legs. So I guess they're not scared of coming close to people. But yeah, man, honestly I forgot there was huge lizards here. I just thought it was just like monkeys. But yeah, you gotta stay like on your toes wherever you go in Thailand. Just like a huge lizard sneaks up on you.